How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about the integration of Cpanel over at Siteground and why they decided to get rid of the system and replace it with site tools. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So for those of you guys who aren't familiar with it, the integration of Cpanel over at Siteground has been discontinued and has been replaced with site tools. So here it is. If you guys were around, during the time that Siteground was still using Cpanel, here's what the interface looked like, which I'm sure you guys are familiar with. So here it is. You actually just basically navigate through the dashboard and follow this path. It's under My Accounts. So you go to My Accounts, and then you should immediately see an option that would take you to Cpanel. So here's what it looks like. So they have since then got rid of this integration and replaced it with site tools, as site tools actually synergizes more with Siteground as a hosting site overall. And to access it is quite simple. All you guys have to do is make sure that you're logged into your Siteground account as an administrator, and you want to basically follow this URL right here. So that's tools.siteground.com, and then you'd want to go to websites and view the domains that are registered under your Siteground account and click on Site Tools. So it's right there in your face. It's immediately accessible. So you want to make sure that you're logged in, and all you have to do is click on Site Tools. So it's pretty much the same deal as Cpanel, but it's more streamlined and simplified. So this way it's easier to use and much more user-friendly. So I believe this change happened over in 2019. And just to check, it has been a little over a year since we launched our new client interfaces, the revamped client area, okay? In-house developed site tools as replacing Cpanel. Okay, so this was implemented around that year. So no more Cpanel. So just to recap, it's now site tools. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.